These RGB LED pixel tube lights from DigitalFoto allow you to create incredible effect and very cinematic lighting thanks to their slim and long shape. Completely adjustable pixel by pixel both via Bluetooth app and DMX controller or directly on the light. They are available in two versions, 60 and 120 cm with 2.5 hours battery life at maximum brightness. Let's find out more in this video. They are built entirely in metal, excellent for heat dissipating. You can feel the build quality from first use. Thanks to the aluminium, both lights do not exceed 45 degrees, even after hours of use at maximum brightness. They feature screw attachment at both ends, offering the possibility of being attached to stands or hung directly on a C-stand, thanks to the included rings. They are powered both by a Type-C charging port, allowing you to use the same chargers as your accessories or laptop, or using the included power supply that constantly powers the lights if needed for longer use. Both lights have same feature, 2000 to 10,000 Kelvin adjustment for warm or cool light, HSI control with the ability to reproduce any color and intensity, 14 color effect and 16 effects, based on single pixel LEDs. The onboard controller is very intuitive and super practical for quick adjustment, while through the app or DMX controller you have more customizations. Remote control is always an interesting addition. We can create control groups for multiple lights or control them individually. Among the color effects we find breathing, alarm, flash, TV, paparazzi, fire, party, and many others, all customizable in brightness and frequency. There are also pixel-based effects, such as fire, color rotation, color replacement, movement, and rainbow. They also feature a microphone to sync with music, but my favorite are moving lights, perfect for videos with dynamic backgrounds. Speaking of battery life, they allow for 2.5 hours of continuous use at maximum brightness and up to 11 hours for low brightness. The maximum brightness value is 2440 lux at 30 cm for the 120 cm one. Set to natural white corresponds to 35 Watt, while in RGB 26 Watt, and 2280 lux for the 60 cm one, 18 Watt with natural white, while 14 Watt in RGB mode. Considering the shape of the light, they are well proportioned. They come included within a case that allow you to lock both the LED tube and charger, so your light is ready to be taken around on set. The cost of this light is £165 for the 60 cm one and £207 for the 120 cm one, directly from their official website. Use the code on screen for an additional 5% discount. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Ciao!